Hey YouTube, how the heck you doing? I'm doing great. I hope you are too. Gonna bring you a little something I've been playing with. It's something new to my technical arsenal. It's for computer support. I'm finally setting up a NAS. It's something I've been wanting to do for a while. So I have a Ugreen DXP 4800 all set up in the room, my bedroom. That's where my internet connection comes in. So I have that set up. But today I want to show you this little guy. And unfortunately, the label placement on it kind of disrupts the picture that's on that box. But this is the UPS I got to back it up for when I have a power outage. So this little guy, it's much smaller than I thought it would be. This will plug into the back of the NAS. So when I do have a power interruption, it'll keep it up long enough to do an auto shut off, or complete the backup that I need to do, or stop the backup if it's a long backup or file transfer. That way I can finish that out and then nicely shut it down till I have power again. The details on this, it's 120 watts. It's got about 12,000 milliamps of lithium battery inside. It doesn't give me the specs on how long it will support the NAS once I lose power. But I'll bring you an update with that once I do some testing. I might just shut off the surge protector for a while and just see how long this will maintain, or if it just does an automatic shut off. But I just want to show you this little guy. This is also from Ugreen. It's like $100. It only supports the NAS that they do. It doesn't, no other support for UPS. So if you have something else you want to put into this is a one-time thing. It's basically only for their NAS machines, because the power supply that you use is the power supply that goes to the NAS. Will go to this to power it and charge it up, and then this will go to the back of the NAS to power that. But it gives you a nice little stand here, so this will keep you nice and tidy on the desk. And then it has a USB cable that connects the little UPS to the back of your NAS. So like I said, the NAS is something I've been playing with. I did the DXP 4800, so it's a 4-bay NAS. But I'll bring an update and more on that down the road as I delve into it more. I've been using their standard software that comes with the NAS, and I kind of like it, but I've also been delving in Reddit and stuff to see what other people think about it that have been doing NASs a lot longer than I. But so far so good. I like it, and I think we're going to keep it around and maybe expand it, because this backs up the data or duplicates the data. But if that was to be lost, then I would lose that. So let me know down below if you have one of these, or if you have a UPS for your NAS and which ones you got. Like I said, this small petite, it's probably about the size of my iPhone that is recording this right now. So let me know down below, guys. Also, don't forget to subscribe and follow so you can see the update on that. Also, I got some new things coming. I'm finally going to redo the big tank in there. I have the small tank set up to move the fish. Most of the coral I've lost, unfortunately, so I'm going to be cleaning that back up and getting it started over after probably 20 years that's been running. So it's time for a new landscaping, new startup. And then I have the little backup there for quarantine and stuff. So let me know what you think of this little guy, guys, and we'll catch you next time. Have a good one.